It's time now for us to slip into a short break.
कला और संस्कृति का संगम असम। यहाँ पाए बिहू की सुनहरी धूप, बैशागु के अनोखे रूप, मन मोहे बागे राजा, बादीमा निराले रंग का, लाए दामाही की कौन खुशियां चुनकर, खुशबू घोले झूमूर, इंद्रधनुषी कला संस्कृति बढ़ाए प्रेम और संप्रीति, विभिन्नता में एकता असम की विशेषता।
The Republic Day celebrations this year stretched over to include a 6-day-long cultural extravaganza featuring dance troupes from across the country, with many performers from the Northeast who performed at the august premises of Red Fort. Catch some glimpses here.
Bharat Parv, celebrating the life and spirit of India from the 26th to the 31st of January at the regal setting of Red Fort, New Delhi, right after the country's Republic Day celebrations, was a gala showcase of unity of the country, with states from Kashmir to Sikkim, from Assam and Manipur to Haryana and Rajasthan coming together. It was a cultural extravaganza par excellence.
सारे आर्टिस्टों का मैं बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा कि उन्होंने इतना बढ़िया काम किया। मैं तो एक माध्यम हूँ बस इनके साथ काम करने के लिए, और इतना अच्छा मौका दिया कि मैं पूरे हिंदुस्तान के साथ काम कर पा रहा हूँ। एक साथ एक मंच पे 350 लोगों को एक साथ लाने का जो मुझे मौका मिला है उसको, और सबसे पहला फेस्टिवल है भारत पर्व जो मुझे डिज़ाइन करने का मौका मिला, तो मैं बेहद खुश हूँ इस आयोजन से।
The evening show started with performers of each state of the country showcasing their traditional attires. Paying homage to the Northeast, drummers from Manipur and Assam beat their drums during this traditional ensemble display, which included participants from Assam showing their traditional dhoti top and mekla chadors, Manipur participants showing their Phanik fiduks and other dresses, Sikkim participants showing their costumes, etc. Next came the fusion culture show, with Manipur's Dhol Cholom enthralling the crowds first. As the drummers swirled into the air, the crowds cheered. Next came the Sikkimese dancers, looking resplendent in blue. They danced a folk dance called Suruchi, even as dancers from other states danced in the background. Tripura's famous Hosagiri was the next dance from the northeast. With lit lamps on head and balancing plates in their hands, this dance never fails to amaze. Assam's Bihu dazzled next, with women wearing bright red blouses and mekla, and men playing the traditional musical instruments. Then there was Thangta, first by a woman and then by two men brandishing swords and spear. Stick balance show. various Ras Leela followed. Every performance included dancers from other states in the backdrop. The whole splendid show winded up with a unity performance in the end, which truly left a message of peace and unity of the entire country. Participants from the Northeast were thrilled to have got a chance to interact with performers from other states of the country and see their beautiful varied culture from close quarters. The event was a fitting commemoration of the Republic Day.
मैं यहाँ रास परफॉर्मेंस देने आई हूँ और यहाँ जो 26 जनवरी से चल रहा है और उसका जो इवेंट का नाम है भारत पर्व, उसमें मैं परफॉर्मेंस देके बहुत अच्छी लगी और बहुत अच्छी लगी कि मैं कुछ कह नहीं सकती। जो यहाँ इतना इंडिया का जो भारत का जो सब स्टेट है, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा यहीं पर परफॉर्मेंस दे रहे हैं और सब मिलके बहुत खुशी हुई और अच्छी लगी मुझे।
Here in the Republic Day celebration in Red Fort, so we are very pleased to perform here. So it is always, here in Delhi, because since we are outstation students, so you feel here, you feel like strangers. So here again you come and performing cultural cultural performances, you feel some kind of home away from home, because even staying in Delhi, you are yet performing a folk dance from Assam. You feel how the unity, you see how you feel yourself as an Indian first.
दिल्ली में आकर हम बहुत खुश हुआ और यहाँ दिल्ली में अलग अलग से 26 जनवरी रिपब्लिक डे के लिए आदमी आते हैं और अलग अलग स्टेट से आया हुआ है। हम सब से मिलकर बहुत खुश हूँ और हमारा सब लड़कियाँ और हमारा सब बच्ची भी बहुत खुश है।
हम लोग यहाँ पर हमारा फोक डांस परफॉर्म कर रहा है और हमारा फोक डांस का नाम सोरठी है और ये जो डांस हम अभी यहाँ पर परफॉर्म कर रही है वो डांस एक राजा और रानी के प्यार के विषय में है और हम लोग को यहाँ पर परफॉर्म करके बहुत प्राउड फील हो रहा है।
Well friends, it's time now for us to wrap up the episode. But before we do so, here comes the announcement of the week's contest winners.
For our contest section, we had asked, what did we show in the sports section? The answer is torch relay of the 12th South Asian Games. The winners are Kipa Gamnu from Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh, Saras Dev Barma from Teliamura, Tripura, and Nunziri from Aizawl, Mizoram.
Congratulations winners! We will recharge your mobiles with ₹1,000 each. Others who want similar recharges should answer a simple question. Name the cultural show featured in our last segment. Send in your answers to youth_folio@yahoo.com or SMS to 99540 Don't forget to tune into Youth Folio next Thursday at 7:30 p.m. Until then, goodbye and take care.